Hello everybody, welcome back. As you can see on the screen, this trade was in fact taken and it was not Photoshop, was not fake. And you can see all these executions here on TradingView. Again, just to kind of prove executions on, off, these are real executions. So to begin, let's hop into it and let's go into the replay mod to see how I was able to find this trade in real time. Okay, so right now it is Friday and I'm looking at the charts on a 5-minute time frame. And right now, the first thing I'd be doing is looking for areas of liquidity, which can help me find targets. So first thing I see is this swing high on the left, with even more swing highs here. This one and this one making kind of an equal high type of thing, as well as this one right here. So just right from the start, I noticed that there's a lot of buy-side liquidity. So a lot of traders would have stop losses at these levels. And again, there's also this one, which is the all-time high of NASDAQ, and that could be another possible target. Now that is still kind of very far away, so I'm honestly aiming for this and this, just to have a more realistic expectation. Okay, now dropping onto the minute charts where I'm able to find the executions. I have this gap outlined here on a 5-minute chart, and this is a pure liquidity void shown by ICT, and it's just an area of retracement and an area of interest. So right now we've already kind of filled this gap a little bit at 8.55, and at equity I was thinking that we might go down here to take out this low first, to kind of quote unquote have a reset, get rid of all the traders that were already long. Get rid of all the traders that were already long, that's already in a long position. So when equity comes, it'll kind of take out all these stops, fill the gap, and then go higher. So right now what we can do is kind of just wait and see what happens. So this is 9:30 and we do get retracement, and all of these stop losses do get taken out and the gap is filled. Now notice how when the gap gets filled the second time, all the bodies stay inside the gap. None of the bodies leave, and that kind of shows strength, and it lets me know that if I take longs here, I'd be comfortable with it, as none of the bodies of these candles actually left the gap. We kind of just wicked under to take out this low and all of these stop losses down here. So once this happens and a couple more minutes goes by, I'm kind of comfortable taking longs, and I think I took a long around here, 9:35, and my targets were again outlined on the 5-minute chart. I took a partial here at the swing high, as well as another partial here at these two swing highs, and then lastly I held this, and lastly my final position was at the larger swing highs where we consolidated over the weekend, and then we ran up and took this out. We ran up and took this high out on the Monday open. Overall, this trade ended with a 10.5 to 1 risk to reward with 3 partials, and it was a very nice and kind of precise trade with a really good read on the market. Anyways, that's it for me today. Hope you guys found something insightful, and hope you guys have a good day.